Here is a beginner-level marketing manager quiz that covers budget management and ROI analysis, product and pricing strategy, and cross-functional collaboration. Let's go! Question 1. What is the primary goal of budget management in marketing? A. To ensure all marketing activities stay within financial limits. B. To reduce the quality of marketing campaigns. C. To eliminate advertising expenses. And D. To increase product prices randomly. Answer: to ensure all marketing activities stay within financial limits. Question 2. What does ROI stand for in marketing? A. Rate of interest. B. Revenue optimization index. C. Return on investment. And D. Regular operating income. Answer: return on investment. Question 3. Which of the following is a key factor in calculating marketing ROI? A. Number of employees hired. B. Revenue generated from marketing efforts. C. Office rental costs. And D. Number of meetings held. Answer: revenue generated from marketing efforts. Question 4. What is a common challenge in budget management for marketing campaigns? A. Accurately predicting customer engagement and costs. B. Managing employee salaries. C. Setting office working hours. And D. Reducing product inventory. Answer: accurately predicting customer engagement and costs. Question 5. Which metric is most commonly used to measure the profitability of a marketing campaign? A. Click-through rate, CTR. B. Customer acquisition cost, CAC. C. Break-even point. And D. Net profit margin. Answer: net profit margin. Question 6. What does customer acquisition cost, CAC, measure? A. The total cost to acquire a new customer. B. The number of leads generated. C. The salary of a marketing manager. And D. The time spent on social media marketing. Answer: the total cost to acquire a new customer. Question 7. A marketing budget should be A. Static and unchanged throughout the year. B. Flexible and aligned with business goals. C. Used only for paid advertisements. And D. Based on past year's expenses without adjustments. Answer: flexible and aligned with business goals. Question 8. What is the primary goal of a product strategy? A. To decrease the product lifespan. B. To create random features without research. C. To align product development with market needs. And D. To avoid customer feedback. Answer: to align product development with market needs. Question 9. A pricing strategy that involves setting low initial prices to attract customers is called A. Value-based pricing. B. Premium pricing. C. Skimming pricing. And D. Penetration pricing. Answer: penetration pricing. Question 10. What is value-based pricing? A. Setting prices based on customer perception of value. B. Matching competitor pricing exactly. C. Reducing prices without research. And D. Ignoring customer preferences. setting prices based on customer perception of value. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is the purpose of product differentiation? A. To make products similar to competitors. B. To reduce product quality. C. To create a unique selling proposition, USP, that makes a product stand out. And D. To eliminate marketing efforts. Answer: to create a unique selling proposition, USP, that makes a product stand out. Question 12. What is the term for a pricing strategy where companies charge high prices for premium products? A. Market penetration pricing. B. Cost plus pricing. C. Discount pricing. And D. Premium pricing. Answer: premium pricing. Question 13. Which of the following is a key factor in a successful product strategy? A. Ignoring competitors' offerings. B. Understanding customer needs and market demand. C. Launching products without any research. And D. Increasing product prices without reason. Answer: understanding customer needs and market demand. Question 14. What is psychological pricing? A. Setting prices based on customer perception, such as $9.99 instead of $10. B. Setting random prices without logic. C. Charging the same price for all products. And D. Reducing costs by eliminating product features. Answer: setting prices based on customer perception, such as $9.99 instead of $10. Question 15. What is cross-functional collaboration in marketing? A. Excluding sales and finance teams from marketing decisions. B. Limiting teamwork to only the marketing department. C. Avoiding collaboration to reduce meetings. And D. Working with different departments to achieve marketing goals. Answer: working with different departments to achieve marketing goals. Question 16. Why is collaboration between marketing and sales teams important? A. To align lead generation efforts with sales strategies. B. To reduce employee interactions. C. To eliminate customer feedback. And D. To focus only on offline marketing. Answer: to align lead generation efforts with sales strategies. Question 17. How does marketing benefit from collaborating with the finance team? A. By focusing only on digital marketing. B. By reducing the need for advertisements. C. By ensuring marketing budgets align with company financial goals. And D. By ignoring cost analysis. Answer: by ensuring marketing budgets align with company financial goals. Question 18. A successful collaboration between marketing and product development leads to A. Better product market fit and innovation. B. Delayed product launches. C. Reduced market research efforts. And D. Elimination of customer engagement. Answer: better product market fit and innovation. Question 19. What is the key benefit of marketing working closely with customer service? A. It eliminates the need for surveys. B. It helps gather feedback to improve products and customer experience. C. It reduces social media presence. And D. It increases employee workload unnecessarily. Answer: it helps gather feedback to improve products and customer experience. Question 20. What is the purpose of collaboration between marketing and IT teams? A. To reduce cybersecurity measures. B. To avoid using online tools. C. To limit data collection. And D. To optimize digital marketing efforts and ensure website functionality. Answer: to optimize digital marketing efforts and ensure website functionality. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.